Hello guys, it's Darkblaze Gaming. Today I'm going to be doing free certain loadouts. Not free, free triple unusual effects. All together, which I think looks amazing. So first one is the magnet hat protector. Corona Australis, which is really rare because it's an elite. Next one is a green black hole antlers with some Halloween add-ons to it. And we got the unusual professional kill streak yellow belt, which is a Misc, and it's a very used Misc, and it's in darkblaze, and it creates this beauty here, which I'll show you on a server. So, ciao. This is my hat. It looks amazing.
Stab.
And my sniper has insanely low voice. But it looks pretty cool. Just saying that it's just sort of looks like that. What the hell? You can see the darkblaze and the magnet hat protector makes it look, well, I really don't know what to say when it makes it look, but it makes it look pretty cool. Peace it out to you now. Peace.